Hello guys, good day everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And today I will be showing you how to make simple and easy crochet flower. Okay, so today I will be using my 2.5mm hook. Okay, and I will be using a white acrylic yarn. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so to start with, I am going to make a slip knot, and then from here we're going to chain 1 2 3 4 5, okay, and yarn over, and into the first, okay, we're going to do triple crochet. Okay, so yarn twice, okay, and then insert into the first chain, okay, and then you will do the triple crochet. Okay, so that is our first. Okay, after that we are going to chain 14, 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so block that off and then chain 4 2 3 4, and we are going to make a triple crochet again. Okay, so to the chain that we blocked off, we are going to insert there, and we're going to make our triple crochet. Okay, so that's the second one. Okay, and after that 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, block this off. 1 2 3 4, and then yarn over twice, and then make our triple crochet. Okay, so if you want this longer, okay, you can. I will do another one. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, block this off. 1 2 3 4. Okay, and do our triple crochet. So after that we're going to chain 4. Okay, so 1 2 3 4, and we're going to make our puff. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so we have 8. Okay, so yarn over, okay, and then pull through like half, okay, like that, and then yarn over and pull through all of the loops. Okay, and then you have to finish, and we are going to start our half double crochet. Okay, so from here, remember we had this first one here in the if you can see, we have 1, okay, 2, so we are going to work in this one here. Okay, so half double crochet, 1 2 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so after that we're going to make a double crochet, and then from here we are going to do our 8 loops again. Sorry about that. Our 8 loops. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, and after that we're going to yarn over, pull through, and about halfway, okay, and then yarn over again and then pull through all of the loops, okay, and you have to finish it. Okay, and from here it's the same. So this, we have 1 here and 1 there, so we are going to work here with the 6 half double crochet. Okay, so yarn over, okay, insert, and then yarn over, pull through 3. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So after that yarn over, and then we'll do our double crochet. Okay, so as you can see we are getting these petals. Okay, so we are going to do our another one. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so yarn over and then half through, and yarn over and pull through all the loops. Okay, and close it. Okay, yarn over and do the half double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then after that we're going to do our double crochet. Okay, so we have our first, okay, from there, okay, we are going to yarn over and reach into the second. Okay, so this is our loops that we will be working, okay, the holes that we will be working. Okay, so from there, okay, reach into there and do your first double crochet. Okay, and then from here, okay, we're going to do our puff again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and to halfway and pull through all the loops. And 6 half double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, then our double crochet. So after that we will just repeat. Okay, we're going to repeat 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yarn over and then halfway, and then yarn over and halfway. Okay, then you finish. Okay, and work the 6 half double crochet. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and double crochet. Okay guys, so as you can see, we have here, okay, so we have 3 here, okay, and we started here as well. Okay, we need to do 3, so 1 more here, and then after that, as you see, we have to reach our double crochet here, okay, and work in this side, okay, and continue that guys until here, and I will show you when I got here. Okay, work in the other side. Okay, and I'll meet you up guys. Hello guys. Okay, so I am done, okay, with my 4 sides. Okay, so 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Okay, so now we are here. I just finished mine. Okay, what we're going to do is we are just going to continue the petals. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, and then go halfway and pull through all the loops. Okay, and then after that is our 6 half double crochet. 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, and we are going to complete that with our double crochet. Okay, so we have 4. Okay, we're going to do another one. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Okay, then half through and pull through. Again 6 half double crochet. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Okay, so we have 1 2 3 4 5 petals. Okay, so we are going to do another one. Okay, so we are going to complete this with the double crochet. As you can see guys, it's getting there. Okay, so we have 1 2 3 4 5. We're going to do one more. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Okay, then half through and pull through all loops, and then 6 half double crochet, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and complete that with the double crochet. Okay, so after we've done that, okay, we are going to jump here, okay, with our double crochet. Okay, so wrap your yarn, okay, jump into here, okay, and we start with our double crochet and our first puff. 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8, okay, half through and pull through all the loops. 6 half double crochet, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, okay, then we are going to complete that with our double crochet. Okay, so as you can see, we have our flower. It's beautiful flowers and it's connected. Okay guys, so just continue that. Okay, so we have to do 3 here, and then after that we jump into the next one, 3 puff petals, okay, and then until we finish. Okay, and I will meet you up guys, and I will show you my finished project. Okay guys, so I am done with my project. Okay, as you can see, okay, I have these beads that I have put it on the middle. Okay, as you can see, that is very cute. Okay, so to finish this, you just have to slip stitch into the end, okay, and then fasten off. Okay, so you can create as well, or you can use beads, or as this one is like a flower. Okay, so I have that, so you can put as like that, or this side as well. Okay, and then you just have to put glue and then glue it on. If you have a pearl, you can just stitch the pearl, okay, into the hole. Okay, thank you very much guys for watching, and thank you for the support. And if you are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you get notified every time I will upload very interesting and cute videos. Thank you very much guys, and have a great day. Bye.